Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting technological shifts happening in the world of finance, blockchain. You've probably heard of it in relation to cryptocurrencies, but blockchain is much more than just Bitcoin. In fact, it's changing the entire financial system, and in today's video, we're going to explore how and why that's happening. Let's get started. So, what exactly is blockchain? At its core, blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers in a way that's secure, transparent, and nearly impossible to alter. Unlike traditional systems where a central authority, like a bank, manages your transactions, blockchain is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. This is a game changer for how we think about trust, security, and transparency in finance. Now, let's take a quick look at the old financial system. In today's world, when you send money or make payments, it usually goes through intermediaries, like banks, payment processors, or credit card companies. And while this works most of the time, it's not perfect. Transactions can be slow, especially for cross-border payments, and the fees can be sky-high. Not to mention, you're relying on centralized entities that can sometimes be vulnerable to fraud or mistakes. In some parts of the world, access to financial services is also limited, leaving many people unbanked or underbanked. Now, here's where blockchain comes in. With blockchain, you can send money directly from one person to another, no intermediaries, which makes transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. Blockchain cuts out the middlemen, lowering transaction costs and speeding up the process, especially for things like international transfers. For people in developing countries who rely on remittances, blockchain is a game changer. No more waiting for days or paying hefty fees. Just instant, affordable transfers. Another way blockchain is transforming finance is through DeFi, or decentralized finance. DeFi is a new financial ecosystem where you can lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on your crypto, all without banks. Let's say you've got some cryptocurrency and want to earn interest. With DeFi, you can lend your assets to others and earn interest, just like a bank would, but without the middleman. All of this happens on blockchain-powered platforms, using smart contracts to automate the whole process. And if you need to borrow, you can do that too. Again, without needing a bank to approve your loan. You just use your crypto as collateral. Another major advantage of blockchain is smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts where the terms are directly written into code, meaning they automatically carry out actions once conditions are met. For example, let's say you're buying a house. Instead of dealing with a lawyer, escrow, and the bank, a smart contract can automatically handle the transaction when certain conditions are met, like when payment is made and ownership is transferred. It's faster, cheaper, and more efficient. One of the most powerful aspects of blockchain is its transparency and security. Every transaction on the blockchain is visible to all participants and can be verified. This makes it extremely hard to manipulate or hack the system. Blockchain is also being used for asset tracking and supply chain finance, making sure goods and payments are tracked securely from start to finish. In traditional systems, you have to trust the central authority, but with blockchain, everyone has access to the same data. So the system is inherently more secure and transparent. So what's next? The future of finance is leaning heavily into blockchain technology. We're already seeing the rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, blockchain-based insurance, and global cross-border payment systems that are faster and more secure. As more governments and businesses embrace blockchain, we'll see even more financial inclusion and innovation. The potential is huge. To sum it all up, blockchain is changing the financial system by making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. Whether it's for cross-border payments, lending, or smart contracts, blockchain is opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about how blockchain is reshaping finance, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about the future of finance. See you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring the future of finance.